Product research is the name of the game if you do dropshipping in 2021. My name is Oscar. Every day I look for 10 trending products to share them with you. Subscribe and sell these products today.
The first product on the list is the shoe remover. This is a small but really functional tool that will help you remove your boots in the easiest and fastest way possible. The mechanism consists of a piece with a U-shaped mouth that grips the heel of the boot and a flat area at the other end on which you can apply weight with the opposite foot. Now you can remove shoes without a problem. The best thing about this is that it has a rubber edge, so it won't damage your shoes. This one is a proven seller on AliExpress, and I believe it has a broad market base. I believe it's a great product for older people, as they don't have to bend down to remove their shoes. The Facebook ad for this one has about 5,000 likes as of now, and it also has been shared more than 1,000 times. The selling price for this one is $19.99. Product cost is $4.63. Shipping is 97 cents, so your profit margin is $14.39. Next up, we have the lightweight sun protection silk scarf. This product is a beautiful combination of fashion and health. It's a great gift for yourself and your friends. It's very lightweight, portable, and fashionable. It comes with many different designs to choose from and also many different colors. It's a great product to sell during the pandemic, and it's also a proven seller on AliExpress. The Facebook ad has about 2,000 likes as of now. The selling price for the scarf is $19.99. Product cost is $1.54. Shipping is $2.63, so your profit margin is $15.82.
When I first started with dropshipping, I had so many questions, and it took me a long time to learn. And even if there are videos all around the internet, having everything in one organized book is the best way to save time and learn everything about dropshipping. This is why I've been working on this ebook for the past months, and it's finally ready. In this ebook, I go over how to go from 0 to 10k profit a day, and also how to find winning products, Facebook targeting, and a real case study. So click the link in the description and use code STP30 for a 30% discount.
Next up, we have the multifunctional stainless steel basin. This is a stainless steel and sturdy and durable basin. It falls under the cooking, kitchen accessories niche, and I also believe it has a broad market base. So far, there's not a lot of orders on AliExpress, but we've seen many other similar products being winners before. It's a great product for a kitchen niche store, and it also has a high perceived value, so you can get a really good profit margin. The Facebook ad has an amazing 22,000 likes and has been shared more than 3,000 times. The selling price is $34.99, product cost is $11.75, shipping is $4.85, so your profit margin is $18.39. Next up, we have the stainless steel cable ties. This is a huge problem solver. Ties are very useful and very suitable for various heavy-duty purposes, such as fastening cables and bags, fixing equipments to poles, among other objects. Unlike the usual plastic ties, this is made of 304 stainless steel. They're tough, corrosion-resistant, fire-resistant, and have a long service life. And they could be used in various environments such as wet places, outdoors, and also high-temperature places. They fall under the DIY and crafts niche, and also they have a high perceived value and a really good profit margin. So far, the Facebook ad has about 800 likes. The selling price for this one is $29.99, product cost is $3.15, shipping is $2.01, so your profit margin is $24.83. Next up, we have the skull hanging door knocker. This door knocker is suitable for any gate or any door. This is the ultimate addition to your Gothic decoration. It's made from solid high quality plastic that is hand painted with a brass finish. The door knocker itself is made of metal and it's ideal as a decoration for your home. This product specifically could do very well for Halloween. So far, there's not a lot of orders for this one, so I think there's still some potential. The Facebook ad has more than 2,000 likes as of now. The selling price for the skull hanging door knocker is $27.99, product cost is $11.75, shipping is free, so your profit margin is $16.24.
We all know that using AliExpress videos on Facebook ads is a bad idea, and finding compelling video ads to use can be extremely difficult. And that is why I personally use bands of ads to get top-notch high-quality ads and get tons of conversions. They are the best in the business and they provide high-quality efficient ads, including the video script and the thumbnail. All of that for an affordable price. They're also recommended by the best e-commerce entrepreneurs, so if you're willing to take your e-commerce business to the next level, click the link in the description to get a 10% discount.
Next up, we have the folding multifunction toilet stool. This is a problem-solving product. With this one, you can achieve the optimal squatting position for an easier, healthier bowel movement. It's very easy to carry and it's also very useful for children. So far, there's not a lot of orders for this one on AliExpress, so there is still some potential. It also has a high perceived value, so you can get a really good profit margin. The Facebook ad has about 1,700 likes and about 200 comments and shares. The selling price is $39.99, product cost is $18.07, shipping is $3.45, so your profit margin is $18.47. Next up, we have the smart alligator hair clips. This is a very good problem-solving product. These very useful hair clips can help you style your hair easier and in a more professional way. They can make styling and hair drying much easier. They have a unique double hinge design which can clip the hair tightly without leaving a dent. They automatically buckle down and grip the hair tightly without leaving a dent. They can hold any kind of hair regardless of the amount of thickness or type. And we've seen many other similar products being winners before. The Facebook ad has about 600 likes as of now, and the selling price is $19.99, product cost is $2.83, shipping is $2.23, so your profit margin is $14.93.
That was it for today's video. If it was helpful in any way, make sure to leave a like and comment below. I make sure to read every one of them. But for now, I'll see you tomorrow with another top 10 video.